Welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. This reading is for the Zodiac sign Aquarius for the month of January 2022. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay. Aquarius, endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, no matter what. Okay, so guys, there's endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you in the month of January. You will be very much into sharing mode. You will be sharing your stuff. You will be liking to share memories, create a lot of memories, and working with a lot of teamwork is needed. So yeah, you will be on a sharing basis. You'll be just loving yourself and spending time with your loved ones, or friends or family members or colleagues or team workers. Okay, so you are going to be very sharing and a caring kind of a person in the month of January. Your third eye chakra is opening, your spiritual awakening is happening, you are reaching to the next level of spiritual awakening, spiritual phase, which is very good. Okay, something happened in the past which shook you off guard. Okay, something happened in the past which was very much heartbreaking for you, and it might be related to money, it might be related to certain situations related to involving money or something like that. But yes, you are concerned about money a lot in the month of January, because you are still holding on to the past. You are unable to move forward with the past thing, whatever happened related to money. Maybe a bankruptcy, maybe an issue related to money, maybe a financial blockage, maybe a financial problems. Okay, so yeah, something happened in that which shook you off guard. I can also see that you'll be thinking about home, family, foundations, creating memories with the, or you'll be very much concerned about family members, Aquarius. Okay, if you were dealing with a third party connection, third party interference into a relationship, you are ready to release that third party connection, third party situation in your life. Okay, also if you were dealing with partnership issues, if you were dealing with a partnership thing, then you are if you'll do a business or on a, and if you'll do a job which will not involve teamwork, team effort, or which will involve only you yourself, or in only you as an individual worker. Okay, that will really give you good results. Okay, don't do business or entrepreneurship in the form of a partnership. Never do it. Okay, because it will not work for you. Okay, so few of the Aquarius, you need to know that working in a partnership, it will not work for you. Okay, on a greater level. So yes, let's see what's going on with you in your love life. Okay, uh, pay attention to the red flags. Someone or something is cautioning you. Please pay attention to the things, because your love life might involve some of the issues. Okay, you deserve love, you are lovable. Okay, so you are lovable and you deserve love a lot. Okay, some of you are getting engaged in the month of January, or thinking to take a step forward to in your relationship. If you're dealing or if you're dating someone, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment or a relationship, which is very good. Okay, so engagement is involved into a relationship, which is very good. So the universal message is, I am the dreamer of my dreams. The second universal message is, when I focus on my inner light, I see the world through the lens of eyes. The third universal message is, energy flows where my intention goes. So I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wishing you all a very happy new year, Aquarius. Bye bye. Take care.